lovers, welcome to a mind-blowing tour of pure opulence and jaw-dropping interiors. Get ready to step into the shoes of a pop star celebrity as we dive into not one, not two, but 10 living rooms that redefine lavish living. We're talking Hollywood vibes. These spaces are like a red carpet rolled out for you, complete with all the glam and glitz. We're taking you right to the heart of Los Angeles, where celebrity homes ooze sophistication and ooze with style. Picture this, sleek, modern vibes meet fierce, bold accents. Every corner is dripping with luxury, from a jaw-dropping chandelier that's practically a masterpiece to art pieces that scream, "I'm fabulous." And the furniture. Let's just say if comfort had a VIP section, these sofas would be in it. Velvet, fur, you name it, these babies bring comfort and extravagance together in the most incredible way. Custom designed furniture, absolutely. It's like stepping into a world where style and tech join forces to create a living space that's both swoon-worthy and super smart. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping content, and let us know which celeb-inspired touch you're loving the most. See you in the lap of luxury.